Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger not showing. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger not showing, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that in this page you will search about Messenger. Then this list of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here in this page you click up storage and you will enter to this window. Here in this page you click clear cache and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.